Welcome to the UIS Bookstore, located inside Founders Hall. The bookstore offers a wide variety of clothing from youth, women's, and unisex. We also have gifts, including gift cards, a health and beauty section, lots of supplies, best of fiction and nonfiction trade books, and of course, required textbooks for your classes. The bookstore runs a textbook rental program, along with offering digital textbooks and used books. The textbook rental program saves students 50 to 55% off of the new price. In some courses, renting a used textbook saves you more money than renting a new textbook. You can rent the textbook the entire semester. If you rent a textbook, you can still write or highlight in it. We just ask that when you return the book that it is in reusable condition for another student. At the end of the semester, during finals week, you just need to check your book back in to the bookstore. If you lose the book, you will need to do a convert to purchase. This means that you will have to pay the difference between renting the textbook and purchasing it. If you forgot to turn in the textbook, you will be charged the difference between the rental and purchase price, plus a non-processing fee. To be eligible to rent, you must be 18 years old, have a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license, have a branded debit or credit card, such as a MasterCard, Visa, or American Express, and a phone number and email address that you check regularly. If you do not meet the requirements, you can have a parent or guardian rent for you by placing an order through our website at www.uis.bkstr.com. If you meet these requirements, an express registration can be completed at the register. You will receive an email from the bookstore within 24 hours, and then you will need to log on to finish the registration. If you don't complete your rental registration, you won't be able to rent textbooks in the future when you check out. A credit card is required to be kept on file for charging non-return fees if the rental is not returned by the due date. The UIS Bookstore now offers digital textbooks as well. This saves the students 40 to 60% on the textbook purchases. You can download the digital book on a PC or Mac, smartphone, or web-enabled tablet. If you're not sure if you would like a digital book, you can try it for 3 days, and if you don't like it, you can get a refund. To rent digital textbooks, go to www.cafescribe.com. Purchasing your books for classes is simple. To purchase your books, you'll need your class schedule. You can either come to the bookstore and staff will help you find the books you need for your classes, or you can order them online at uis.bkstar.com. For instructions for online orders, watch the UIS Bookstore Online Orders video. If you order through the website, your books are boxed up and available for pickup. No long lines to wait in. When you come to pick up your order, you will need to provide a photo ID and your order number. Staff will verify that your order is accurate before you leave with your books. You can order your books anytime, but it is better to order at least 1 month before classes begin. A debit or credit card is required for online orders. In-store purchases can be paid with cash, debit, or credit. For those students who are receiving financial assistance through the UIS Office of Financial Assistance, you may be able to charge your books to your student account and have the purchases covered with your financial aid funds. You need to contact the UIS Office of Financial Assistance, located on the first floor of University Hall, or call them at 217-206-6724. If you have any problems, visit the Help Fact Answer Question section of the bookstore website or contact the UIS Bookstore during business hours. Our phone number is 217-206-6766. Fax us at 217-529-2001 or email at uis@bkstr.com. The bookstore is open 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Thursday and 9 to 3 on Fridays. Summer hours are 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Thursday and 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Fridays.